Hey everyone, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I will show you how I create a traveler's notebook layout titled Berry Time. I'll use this paper pack, Sweet Delight from Rosie's Studios, and I'll be scrapping these photos. So I went ahead and prepared the papers, and I'll be using a large paper strip, a slightly smaller paper strip, and then a little square. The square will go on the bottom, so it will be the background layer, and I already distressed the edges. I use a card to do that. And the challenge with this larger paper strip is it goes across both pages, and so I have to make sure that both pages align perfectly so that when I cut it apart it will still align when I put it back together and bind in the binding that I'll be using. So I'm getting more practice with this, so it works faster and faster to align the pages. And here I am putting that other paper strip there as well, and I'm kind of making sure as I'm putting down the photos that I'm not cutting off something essential or cutting right through something essential there. So I'm using another strip of paper just to see where the cutting line will be, because I'm always aware of the fact that there will be that cut through the middle of the page there. That's part of making it a traveler's notebook album, but I like when it looks like it's one single design rather than the traditional traveler's notebook layout where it's 2 pages and you treat both pages separately. So here I have some die-cut strawberries. This is some from my mom's garden again, and she's growing some strawberries, so I have a die cut where I cut out some strawberries, and I use them to embellish this page. So here comes one of the strawberries, and then the other strawberry. So because this paper pack actually has an ephemera pack that I actually even have, but obviously it doesn't have strawberries, and I wanted the strawberries to go with these photos. So these are tiny fresh strawberries, and you can see on the photo there's this tiny strawberry hanging over the edge of that flower pot where it is planted, and so I thought it was just kind of perfect. These are the word strips that I have made on just typing them up on my computer, printing them on cardstock and cutting them out. There is a video of how I do this, and you can find this video on my channel. I will link you up with this, and you can get a free PDF of the cut file that I made, but also it shows you how you can do this yourself. So once again, I'm ensuring that the title here, which is also cut from some die cut, I'm ensuring that it doesn't go across that middle line there, which I will be cutting again. So that's when you see that paper strip come into play, where I look where the line will be. So here I have this die cut alpha that I cut the word berries from, and then I also used a Scripty alpha stamp set to stamp the word time, and then I fussy cut it, and then that goes underneath. So I like when there's that mixture of a sans serif font and then a script font to go with that. So here you see me adding the last few word strips that go on this page, and then I think this page is done, and all that needs to happen is, I guess, a few more flowers that need to be scattered around the page someplace, and then all that needs to be done is to cut the page apart again. So for that, I flip the page around because I have a perfect cutting line there. I can see where I can cut. And then that's that. So this is the page finished. I'll leave you with some close-ups. I hope you liked it. If you did, hit the like button. Consider subscribing and have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.